Welcome back. As I told you, today is the last day of the trip. Today we will get back to home. But nothing there to be sad. We will plan another road trip in a few days. The car tolerates extreme situations. Right now, car condition is very bad. But that's okay. After I get back home, I will take it to the workshop. For now, let's do the cold start. As today is our last day in the forest, let's have some fun. I think that's enough. Fuel is also low. Not again. Another dent. Let's say by the forest. Let's go. Time for fuel up. We are going to that home dot where I parked the truck. Not there from where we started. Get exhausted. That's why I am hitting here and there. At last. Welcome to the sweet garage. Tomorrow we will take it to the workshop. The best decision was made by taking this car. Subscribe, share, comment, like.